Curious Ash 1 and the Scomba. Don't call it a comeback, we run it from the front to back. Back to bad habits, Ash run the track. I done funk for the fun and the feeling. Hands in the dirt and my feet on the ceiling. Broke hearts with art from the start of this. Big picture, always been a part of this. Sweat tears as I spark the mic. I get live and hype in the darker night. Star bright, troublesome, no bubblegum. I boo khaki MC so you see where I'm coming from. North Wheezy, still rep mine. I go back like tags on the Met line. So next time you see me, salute me. I'll say salam as I deal with my duty. Keep calm in the game, I'm a native. No slave, just a common creative.
Ain't going nowhere, we ain't been before. Just tired of people trying to close the door.
Open up.
If we are family, what we fighting for? We don't need this war. We don't need this war.
What we fighting for?
Don't call it a comeback, you all know a bud track. Smacking that Renaissance rap. Still sharp as a thumbtack, I cut you on contact. Attacking how the game got whack. Won't back down, keep battling. For the cause of the culture, rattling. Gold chains like the ghost of Marley. Back to take stock and rock your block party. Hardly a new jack, I prove that the old school's back with the new and improved rap. 2-2s, that's proof how I'm relevant. Funk in my trunk, but my movements are elegant. Effervescent even when I feel malevolent. Smile as I grind hard rocks into sediment. Benevolent forces coursing deep through my core if your talk is boring.